In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Gumtree. First, open the Gumtree app or go to the website. Then make sure you're logged in. Next, open the chat or message thread with the person you want to block. In the top right corner, tap the three dots or the Options button. From the menu, select Block User or Report and Block, depending on what shows on your version. But as you can see, there's no three dots or Options button on mine. If yours also shows the same, I'll show you the alternative way in Gumtree's mobile app. Open your Gumtree mobile app and make sure you're signed in. Then, from the toolbar at the bottom, click on the Messages button. This will bring all your messages with buyers and sellers. Click on the one you want to block. Then, on the top right, you can find the three dots, click on it, and from the options, choose Block User. You can also choose Report User if you just want to report them. Then, after clicking Block User, Gumtree will ask you to confirm. Just hit Block, and that user won't be able to contact you anymore. And that's it. That's how you block someone on Gumtree. Thanks for watching.